So in this video we are going to learn and understand the installation of Nmap from an official website. So go for any browser based on your convenience. So as if now I'm going for the Chrome browser. So just click on this. So type nmap .org. So this is the official website. Just click on enter. So go for a download option. Click on download. So here are the various versions and supporting operating systems that were given. So for the Linux operating system, here are the exe files, and the Mac, for the Mac also here it is given, and here is the source code user for the Nmap. So for the installation of the Nmap, so here is the stabilizer release for the self installer of Nmap that is given. Just click on this to download the setup file. So here the setup file is downloaded. Just click on to open it. After clicking open, you will get a window. So here are the license terms. Before installing the Nmap, you need to verify and view all these license terms and conditions. Once verify it, then click on I agree. Then here are the features and the Nmap you want to install. So based on your convenience and your requirement, select all these parameters that you want to install. Nmap is a GUI version of the Nmap, and it is also available. Nmap is also available for the command line installation. So here are the various components that are associated with this tool. So based on your requirement, just check in all these boxes, then click on next. So here it is asking where the location of the Nmap need to be installed. So by defaultly it is selected as a program files of C. So then click on install. So you can see here are the files that are related to the Nmap are getting extracted, that supports the Nmap tool to run successfully. So here are the installation options. So as if now I'm going for the install npcap and WinCap API compatible mode. So just select this and click on install. So here are the configuration files that are getting extracted. As soon as the extraction completes, we will able to run our Nmap tool. So as the installation, the process of installation is nothing but the extraction of the supporting files which need to support the Nmap. So just click on next, then click on finish, and click on next. So here it is asking that whether the desktop icon is needed or not. So as of now I selected for the desktop icon, then click on next, finish. Okay. Here is the installation process of the Nmap is explained in this video. So in the next video we will learn how to scan by giving a simple commands using a command line version and also GUI version.